going on, guys? acba dripmode, and today I am not doing a diorama, but today I'm gonna do is a repaint or just paint. I'm pretty excited. I got this cool little phone booth. I found this guy on eBay that he makes 3D props. He prints them, and I bought this one. And this kind of reminds me of the payphone that I used to use in my era in the 90s. And we actually use payphones. But this is perfect scale for my Marvel Legends, my Figma toys, even my NECA Ninja Turtles. This is a perfect prop for it. So what I want to do is I want to make this look authentic. I want to make it look, make it look real, but also put some stickers, do some graffiti, add some wear, and add details. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Alright, guys, let's get to it. Alright, so I separated the phone from the actual booth, and I'm gonna start masking it. First layer that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the blue. So I'm gonna paint the inside of this thing blue. Alright, so I covered as much as I think I need. So I'm gonna, because I have the spray paint, I'm gonna spray paint inside blue. Alright, so spray painted. We'll let it dry and then see how it turns out. Start going into details.
So you know how to fight. Well, today you're up against the Ting brothers. You want to fight? Fight with me.
Alright, so while the other one is drying, I'm gonna work on this one. I have a chrome pen. I'm gonna make all of this chrome.
See, so you know how to fight. Well, today you're up against the Ting brothers. You want to fight? Fight with me.
So going a little crazy. Going a little crazy, adding some graffiti. I'm gonna add some stickers. I'm gonna print them out tomorrow and add them. Doing some weathering, giving it that that old look, the dirty look. And doing the same thing with the payphone. So gonna give it some of that silver chip. Alright, guys, so as you can see, I printed out some stickers. Some of the people you see on here are some of my boys from Miami, LA, yours truly, and etc. So I printed these out just because I wanna make this guy. It already has graffiti on it, but I wanna add like other elements of graffiti, like stickers and labels and just more vandalism of some people that are known, so. And as you can see, I printed them out in various like sizes, just because I didn't have this on me, and I want to be able to make sure when I glue these guys on that I have them in every size. So I'm here just deciding, like, where do I put this guy, you know? Do I put him inside? Do I put him right here? Somewhere more obvious. Yeah, I think I put it right there. So now I'm just gonna paste a whole bunch of them all over the damn thing. Da-da-da-da. Here you go, guys. It's a repainted phone booth. Now, my inspiration is mostly just the urban settings that I know of, and going to art school in downtown Miami, this was normal. You would see, you know, payphones like this. So that's where I got all my inspiration from. Pay attention to the methods of how I did this repainting, because you could really apply this to anything. Now, an example I want to show you guys, I found at a dollar store this cute little dollar plastic pool table, and I was able to do the same thing to it. And look at this. Look at the quality that came out. Came out pretty cool. You know, I was trying to find a good pool table, and I couldn't find one. And I found this guy, and I just repainted it and added some legs. And boom, same thing. Dry brushing, painting. Another one that I worked on recently was a regular barrel, you know. It was painted green, then added some browns. Dry brush it a little bit with some residue, you know, some imperfections, but it looks like a real barrel. There's one that I worked on. This is for a 1/4 scale diorama. This is an accessory. Check this out. This is guys. This is a tiny version of. This is a container from an oatmeal jar. What this is supposed to be the tiny little ashtray when you go into the subway, and it's a trash, you know, there's trash inside, and on top I have, you know, the ashes. You guys could get something really ordinary. You guys don't have to spend money on like expensive stuff, unless I get it, you guys want to buy stuff from other people that do some creative stuff, then awesome, you know. Here's the phone in case you guys interested in buying one. Cool guy. Get your own copy and work on it. Hot heads on eBay. I wanted you guys to take from this is that you guys could get any type of structure, sculpture, prop, and you could turn it into a project and make it your own. So that's what I want you guys to get out of this video. So yeah, guys, here it is, my phone booth, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please write a comment, hit that like button, and please subscribe. Okay, guys, peace.